episode of Johnny's Kitchen with What's Next with Johnny and Lakeisha. Today we're going to make another video in our series of quick and easy recipes. As you can see here, not a lot of ingredients. It's going to be another quick recipe. So today we're going to make poppers. So we got our whole jalapeno peppers. We got a block of cream cheese. We're going to use a cup of Parmesan cheese. We got our mixture of smoked sausage and bacon bits. And we have some smoked paprika, kind of top it off after we finish for a little extra flavor to it. All right, so we're gonna. All right, guys, as you see right here, I am browning the half a pound of diced smoked sausage, and also got a cup of real bacon bits in here as well, mixed together. Normally, I would use some pork sausage or some Italian sausage, maybe spicy sausage. Didn't have any, so I'm going chopped style. So I did have some smoked sausage in the fridge, and also had some bacon bits. So kind of mixing that up a little bit together to go in its place. I'm sure it's gonna taste good. I'm trying this way for the first time, but we will get to that favorite part at the end, the taste test, and see how that goes. All right, guys, now we're back. We're gonna prepare our peppers. So we're gonna take our peppers, we're gonna cut them long ways, so we can make the boat for it to go into. So I'm gonna cut that right in half. All right, so once you get those cut, you get two halves like this. So we're gonna take a spoon, we're gonna empty out the cavities. We're gonna take out all those seeds and that membrane, so we can make a nice little boat for our ingredients to sit inside. All right, so as you see, we have the first one. So then we take the second one, same thing. All right, guys, as you can see, we got our boats ready. I call them boats. That's what kind of look like little boats once you get them all hollowed out. So starting with our cream cheese filling now, we're gonna take our block of cream cheese. If I can get it open here. All right, there we go. So we're gonna take our block of cream cheese, put it in there. All right, we're gonna take our smoked sausage and bacon mix. And then we're gonna use about a cup of Parmesan cheese. About a cup there. All right, so we're gonna take that, we're gonna mix it all up. So you kind of want to keep mixing it up till you get that kind of like that pizza dough, or actually cookie dough type texture. All right, so I'm going to continue to mix this up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. We got everything all mixed up here. So we took our bacon bits and smoked sausage along with our cream cheese, and we also threw our Parmesan cheese in here. So everything all mixed up. So now it's time to start stuffing these up. So I'm gonna grab this one here, and I'm gonna give you an idea how we stuff this thing. So we're gonna stick it in there like that. So try to open it up a little bit as you stuff it. Try to fill the entire cavity. You don't want to have it overflowing too much over the sides there, because it'll cook off during the process and kind of overflow and stick to the pan. But you get the idea. Just kind of get it in there, and it's gonna look like that once you get it stuffed. All right, guys, as you can see, we got them all prepared and ready for the oven. As you see, make sure you always put your oven spray on your pan. I didn't show that in the video, but I went back and did it. So anyway, always want to make sure that keep the sticking at a minimum. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this in the oven. It's already set to 375. We're gonna throw it in there for about 20-25 minutes. And once that's done, we'll take it out. When it's ready, it's gonna be like kind of like a golden brown. And then we'll sprinkle our little smoked paprika on there and give a little extra bite. And then the favorite part, with their taste back, and we got them out of the oven. As you see, they look really, really good. You can smell them. They smell really, really good. I can smell them while they were in the oven baking, so you know they're gonna be good. So set these down here. You're gonna grab a few to plate. So we grab these ones with the stems on them because they're easier to grab. Put that in there. Let's get a couple of these out. A couple of these bad boys out. Another one. And let's grab one more. All right. Pretty hot, so we'll see. But also, if you want to garnish them, I got a little smoked paprika here. You can also get some chives or something like that, and you can garnish them. You know, add a little color to them, a little pop. So I'm going to add just a little smoked paprika to these. And any garnish you want, it's all optional. All right, let's take a taste. Man, that is so good. Get another bite of that. Get one more bite. Wow. That is so good. All right, guys. Once again, this is Johnny's Kitchen with another quick and easy recipe on What's Next with Johnny and Lakeisha. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you always know what we're doing at What's Next. Until the next video.